Hello students, good morning. Welcome to our mathematics class. And students, today we are going to solve some important questions of chapter number 13, symmetries, which we already learned. So here I am going to solve some questions, some sums of a practice workbook. Okay? So students, you don't purchase practice book. आपको practice book, practice work purchase करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay? Some important sums are there, so I want to solve it, and you have to practice it for our unit test. Okay? So wait a minute. See, chapter number 13, symmetries. So some points to remember is given. So see, when a symmetrical figure is folded along a line of symmetries, the two parts of the figure exactly coincide with each other. Right? For example, see, this is the shape of square. Okay, so when you fold along it exactly, you will see it distribute in two equal parts. Okay, so the two parts of the figures exactly coincide with each other. Okay, आप देख सकते हो इसके ऊपर ओवरलैप हो रहा है exactly, right? Next, a line of symmetry is also called an axis of line symmetries. Understood? Asymmetrical figures may have a single line of symmetries or multiple lines of symmetries. कुछ फिगर्स जो होते हैं उसमें या तो सिंगल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्रीज होते हैं या तो फिर मल्टीपल्स होते हैं. राइट, यहाँ पे एग्जांपल दिए हुए हम देखेंगे. A scaline triangle is not a symmetrical figure. It has no line of symmetries. उसको कोई भी नहीं होता है. Isosceles triangle has how many line of symmetries? One. Okay. Equilateral triangles, all sides are equal. Okay, and in triangle there are total three sides, so it has three lines of symmetry. Okay, next, a circle has infinite lines of symmetries. You can see here, this is the shape of circle. Okay, so when you draw line of symmetries and you have to fold it, you have to overlap it, it easily overlap. Okay, so we can say a circle has infinite line of symmetries. What about square? The square has four lines of symmetry, right? How? So see here. This is the shape of square. So see, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Four way we can fold it and it is exactly overlap with each other, each sides. Okay. Now a rhombus. Rhombus is how many line of symmetry? So 2. See, here the shape of rhombus. Okay. So how many line of symmetry? 2. Understood? An object and its mirror image are symmetrical about the mirror lines. See, the mirror image of the letter A, O, M, T, etc. look exactly like those letters, and B, E, N, P, L, etc. look literally inverted. This is the example. Now see, line of symmetries of some geometrical figures, equilateral triangles. How many line of symmetries? 3. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Isosceles triangles, so only 1. Circle, infinite. Square, 1, 2, 3 and 4. What about rectangles? So rectangles have 2 lines of symmetry, and rhombus also 2 line of symmetry. Okay students, now see, examples. Write the names of 5 symmetrical objects in your house. So it is plate, bowl, glass, spoon, carpet. Name 5 symmetrical objects in your classroom. So in classroom you can see blackboard, table, chair, chalk box, windows. Okay. Name 5 geometrical figures which are symmetric. So this is the shape like a rectangle, square, circle, rhombus and regular hexagon. Okay. Write 3 letters of English alphabet whose mirror image looks exactly like the letters. So it's R, H, V and X, capital H, capital V, capital X. Write the three letters of English alphabet whose mirror image looks literally inverted. So it is B, S, and E. Write the three letters of English alphabet which have two lines of symmetry. So it is H, I, and X. Okay, students, understood? Now we are going to solve exercise number 13.1. So see, which of the two sets square is not symmetrical? So see here, this is the isosceles triangle. Okay, so it has a one line of symmetry. So this is the Scullin triangles. Okay, so it has no any type of line of symmetries. Okay. Question number 2. Which of the following figures are symmetrical? So see here, A, scissors. Okay, this one. Okay, when you fold it, it overlaps. Okay, exactly we divide it into two parts. Like this. This one is also like a bucket, kite, top. Okay, this is a temple. Okay, and this one is also, you want, if you want to make a two equal parts, two equal halves. Okay, distribute, then we can easily do. So students, question number 3 is no needed to solve it. Okay. Now see next questions. Question number 4. Write the number of line of symmetries of each of the following figures. So rectangle has a 2. Circle has infinite. This flower has 6. How? So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 octagon. Regular octagon has 8 sides equal. So we can make 8 line of symmetries of this set. Same way, 6 side is there. Okay, so it has also 6 lines of symmetries. And this is square. All sides equal and total 4 sides. So 4 line of symmetries we can draw on it. Now see question number B. Write the number of lines of symmetries of the following figures. So same way, equilateral triangles, so 3. Scalene triangles, so 0. Isosceles triangles, so 1. Right angle triangles, no. Square, 4. Rectangle, 2. Rhombus, 2. And this uneven shapes is also 0. And what about this shapes, kite? So 1. Okay, by this way. Correct? Now see, next fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks so as to make each of the following statements true. So see, first one is what? A line that divides the figures into two congruent parts is called line of symmetry. A picture of Taj Mahal, front view, has how many line of symmetries? Only one. The height of the mirror image of an 8 centimeter long stick. Okay, placed vertically, it is also 8 centimeters in length. Okay. This is a quadrilateral that has the 4 lines of symmetry. So square. Okay. How? You can see here. 4 sides polygons. Okay. And all sides equal. So it has 4 line of symmetries. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Correct? Next one. A geometrical figure that has infinite lines of symmetries. So it is circle. Regular pentagon, so 5. Regular polygon that has 3 lines of symmetries is which triangle? Of course, and equilateral triangle. The number of lines of symmetries of rectangle. So rectangle has how many line of symmetries? 2. And say this shape has no 0 line of symmetries. Understood? This figure has a 2. How? See this first one and second one. Okay, so we can write here 2 line of symmetries of this figure has. Next, fill in the blanks. Scalene triangles has 0 line of symmetries and isosceles triangle has 1. Circle has infinite, right? This is a 2 line of symmetries. Rhombus. Triangle having 1 line of symmetries is an isosceles triangle. Correct? A heart shape has only one line of symmetry. The mirror image of letter dash looks like the letter itself exactly. So, which alphabet? V, capital V. See next one, 8 number. The mirror image of letter dash looks literally vertical, sorry, inverted. So, it is N. The figure this has no line of symmetry, and this figure has one. Okay, this is the shape of kite. Okay, so kite has a one line of symmetry. Okay, students. Now see match the following. Here also some shape is given, and here in B parts the total line of symmetry is given. The first one is Scaly triangle, so it has zero line of symmetry. Okay, isosceles, so one line of symmetry. Equilateral triangle, so three lines of symmetry. Rectangle, two lines of symmetry, and square. Square has four line of symmetry. Okay, students, understood? So, see, students, what is in your HW? You have to solve all these questions, all these exercise, and all these main points in your notebook. Okay, understood? From here, you can write very easily, and you can do your homework. Okay, this shape is also very easy, so you can draw in your notebook. Okay, students, understood? So do your homework very neatly and practice it oftenly for our unit test. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.